Alright guys, real quick before we get into the first ride on Nina, I just want to say thank you for all the support on the last video, which if you haven't watched that, go back and check that out. I kind of explain everything that's going on behind the scenes with the channel. I read all the comments and the Patreon is now officially live. I'm so excited. I'll throw the link down in the comments below for those that are interested and can support. You'll get to see all the crazy stuff that I can't show on YouTube. We'll do live streams, discounts on merch, which this next drop is gonna be crazy. I'm so excited to show it to you guys. Be on the lookout for that. Behind the scenes content that just doesn't make it onto YouTube, as well as maybe a potential giveaway. But even if you can't financially support, I get it. I've been in that position. You still like the video, comment, subscribe, share the content. Anything helps, and I still love each and every one of you. And I saw a few comments on the last video stating that I shouldn't be sharing this kind of information with you guys because it ruins the image of the business. And yes, I could use my platform and all these bikes to paint the picture that everything is perfect. That wouldn't do anyone a favor because everyone goes through ups and downs. You can't appreciate the highs without the lows. Life isn't about what happens to you, but how you adapt and overcome obstacles. Those low points in life were put there by God to build you into a better person. But I hope you guys enjoy the Miami series. I'm throwing every single dollar I make right back into the channel. I hired a videographer, camera quality is going up. I made another huge purchase, which that's gonna be a whole nother video, because we're on the road to 1 mil, baby. Sit back, relax, grab your popcorn, and enjoy the show. Hear that chirping? Woo! Nina wants all the smoke. What's up, guys? It's your boy FastLaneD, and today we got a special one for you guys. We're doing the first ride on the H2. Y'all can appreciate Nina a little bit more. The little details we got added on. You can see the carbon. You gotta take this entire headlight off in order to get to that. And then you got the front wheel cover right there. We also got this piece down here, finally added on as well. Now I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm a little nervous. This is gonna be crazy. Everyone that has a stage 2 is like, yo, you need to go out, do some test hits for like 2-3 hours, like really get used to the power, because it's gonna be way different than what I'm used to. So y'all stick around, it's gonna be crazy, baby. Look how bright this is, man. You'll wear some sunglasses looking at this thing. This thing is nice. We got Twanzy's Jixture. We got Gotham's ZX10rr, not single R. Y'all give put some respect on this bike, man. Go Cowboy, you gotta go with the Cowboy green. Beautiful red paint. Woo. Carbon on the rear here. Yeah, these three are nice, but wait, there's more. We got an R1 in the red, white, and black color scheme. A V4 with the Termi on there. Sitting pretty, this thing is slam, man. And then we got Tanner, y'all know Wheelie Hut Jr. in this beautiful blue, 69 to FLG on the front with the honeycomb carbon on there. What y'all think about that? Honeycomb, forged, or regular carbon? What's your favorite? We got the world's slowest and quietest V4R right here. Y'all are seeing it. Make sure y'all go comment on Kicking It with Kudus. This is all of his posts. Comment roadblock, all right?
Haters.
Roadblock. Hey, that helmet kind of fire though, dog. Sheesh. Kudus big man. I'll be like Kudus when I grow up. Y'all see that? Limited edition. 332 and 4,000.
I wish I could afford
It says money, man. Golly.
I wish I could afford an H2.
Oh man, here we go. This is more than the H2. And the other bike. I can't tell you what other bike he got ordered, but he get 2 H2s for the price of that bike. Exactly. Juan over here on the ZX10. That's not even his. He's on G's ZX10. Y'all seen his before. I want to be like G too, man.
Right.
I said I'm about to start a car hauling or a trucking business like these two.
How many bikes you got?
Nah, car. Anyways, ZX10 right here. And then we got George coming in on his bike. Jeez, I like that purple. Purple go kind of hard right there. Rico being lame in the crib asleep. Y'all like the gold wheels? I kind of want to put gold wheels on a bike. Low-key been thinking about it. 916 Anniversario edition. He's just missing the ones. But all right, enough talking. Y'all hear the boys. They starting the bikes. They ready to ride. So let's ride, babe. Leave. Woo, woo. Yes, sir. Nina is alive. All right, here we go. I don't know how I feel about this shorty clutch lever. I kind of like the longer lever. What I might end up doing, I saw someone else do this, is I like the shorty brake and then they have the longer clutch side, so maybe we'll do that. We'll see. There we go. I like it engaging like right about there, not too high up, just the right amount. Some people like it like when the lever's at the top, but I like it like you let out like half an inch off the lever and we're good to go. You just don't want to put it too close because then the clutch might not fully disengage. Now we are still missing the blow-off valve, so it'll do a nice hissing when I do like a pull and then come off the throttle. So we'll get the blow-off valve installed, and then we're also going to put a boost gauge on here as well. This man does switch bikes. That's crazy.
It was overheating.
Ah, okay. He said it was overheating, so I guess he went and grabbed a Gixxer 1K. You want me to do anything?
Yeah, this is
Let's go, baby! We in Miami on the H2. You see the V4R?
Kick that.
Bike's filled up. We're ready to roll, baby. We'll see what she can do. I'm so excited. Woo! Y'all wait for her? Hear that chirping? Woo! Nina wants all the smoke. Nina? Woo! Yeah, there's definitely a little bit more power. Yeah, you really got to control that throttle, man, because she just wants to come right on up. Golly. I don't know if you want to do anything less than like a 60 roll on here, man. This is just gonna wheelie, which is what the goal of this build was to make something that stock wheelbase, reliable. This bike, man, is just like, it's so overkill, but that's what makes it so much fun. It's so crazy. Alright guys, so we done made it to the race spot. Hell yeah, we got the squad out here, my boys. What's good, fellas?
Oh, this shit ugly as hell.
Just like you, Larry. This is you in bike form. There you go, Larry. Come on now.
Why you even bring it up? tell.
He's still mad I tricked him with the MT09, man. SP at the dealership. The OGs remember that.
Fucking bastard.
Larry, what do you think of the new bike, man?
It's beautiful. I like the MT09s, but like,
Yeah.
I'm just not like I all right, let's
That was so funny. Larry's like, yeah, it's cool.
I was like, all right. Everybody says like they're a lot better. Like you get like a lot more like feel of. Like,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, enjoy yourself a little bit.
Yeah, if that's your thing. Yeah.
Oh, that's funny as hell.
This shit definitely looking sexy.
I appreciate it, dog. Thank you, man. Thank you. We trying, you know what I'm saying? She's getting there.
You're doing a good job.
I appreciate it, man. Hey, that duck, I was reeling you in last night.
Yo, yeah, I want to see the footage.
Yeah.
I missed the race.
I know, man. Nah, he got the jump or got the hit. And then I was like, oh, I'm getting him. I'm getting Yeah.
He's out fast.
Yeah, oh yeah, he does get off fast, yeah, every time. We made it to the race spot, guys. We're gonna do some test hits with Cam. He's also got stage 2, same exact tuner. Yeager, hey, look at the forged carbon on this bad boy, dog. All through there, the sun ain't hitting it right, but it is beautiful. Y'all let me know, should we do that on Nina? I'm kind of thinking about it, but I mean, that would be a couple G's and just carbon alone, we already got carbon. But yeah, we're gonna do some test hits. He said he's been spinning all day on this asphalt, because it's not really cement, it's a little bit of a different material. He's got a different tire though. Also, other thing, I haven't turned traction control off yet. So like I said, Yeager said with traction control off, I'll gain like 30 extra horsepower. So we're gonna test it and see what it do. So y'all stay tuned.